In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API token using Cloudflare's platform. Creating an API token can be a crucial step for managing your Cloudflare settings programmatically, and this guide will take you through the process with clarity and ease. First, let's head over to the Cloudflare website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already there, simply open your preferred web browser and enter the Cloudflare URL into the address bar. Log in with your credentials, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard. Here you'll see various options and settings you can manage for your domains. Next, navigate to your profile. You can usually find this by clicking on your user avatar located at the top right corner of the dashboard. A drop-down menu should appear, revealing several options. Look for the one labeled API Tokens and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all your existing API tokens as well as creating new ones. The API tokens provide a way to access your Cloudflare account programmatically while granting only the specific permissions you've set. Now that you're on the API tokens page, you should see a button labeled Create Token. Click on this button to start the process of generating a new API token. You might notice that Cloudflare provides predefined templates for various purposes, or you can choose to create a custom token. For this guide, let's focus on creating a custom token to tailor the permissions according to your specific needs. This option gives you the flexibility to specify which resources the token can access and what actions it can perform. Once you've decided on your token's permissions and resources, fill in the required details such as the name for your token. It's essential to choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, as this will help you manage them more easily in the future. After you've configured the settings to your satisfaction, proceed by clicking on the Continue to Summary button. Here you can review all the information you've just set up. Double-check the permissions and resources to ensure everything is correct. It's always wise to make sure you've granted only necessary permissions to maintain the security of your account. Finally, if you're satisfied with the summary, click Create Token to finalize the process. Cloudflare will now generate your API token, and you should see it displayed on the screen. Make sure to store this token securely, as it's your key to accessing certain features of your Cloudflare account programmatically. And there you go, it's as simple as that. You've successfully created a custom API token in Cloudflare. Remember, managing your API tokens wisely is vital for maintaining the security and integrity of your Cloudflare operations. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.